My peonies are coming up quick, and this grate right here does nothing to keep them from falling over when they are huge. So I just got myself K-Brand's plant support stakes, as I love this brand. I love everything they make, and I know these are going to work so much better. Let me set them up. Now there are a few different ways to stake peonies. The other one is kind of a round disc that has holes in it. I find that that one does terrible things, as I cannot change it as the peonies get larger. Whereas these, I can adapt as needed, and I can configure them for how big the peonies become. And these really are super simple in concept. You can just hook them to each other. So whether you're making a super small round or a larger round, they're going to make your round section around your peonies as needed. You can see that my selection of peonies right here is too large for 2 of these. So I'm actually going to connect 3 of them together and see if that's large enough. So I can get the first one where I want it, and then basically just stake around that. And I actually decided that 3 is perfect. So now as these grow, this is going to hold them in place. And one of the best parts about it is that if I see that I did something terrible like I did there, I can actually adjust it as needed. Let me fix that corner real quick. So in the end, I just framed it out on the front, as I know these are going to lean this way, and I don't actually have it disconnected in the back because I decided that 4 would be too much, but that should work so much better. Really nice and minimal. Fantastic support stands.